The future of freelancing, top skills for 2025 and beyond. What's up? Hustlers and future CEOs of your own empires, it's your boy Najim Zanu here, and let me tell you, the freaking future is looking bright for freelancers. We're talking about a world where you're the boss, you set your own hours and you build a career around your passions. But listen, to win in the freelance game, you got to be ahead of the curve. You got to know what skills are going to be in high demand, and you got to be ready to hustle harder than ever before. That's why I'm dropping this video right here, right now. We're diving deep into the top 5 freelancing skills that are going to be absolute fire in 2025 and beyond. We're talking data analysis, digital marketing, cybersecurity, content creation, and the big kahuna blockchain development. These aren't just buzzwords, my friends. These are your tickets to freelance freedom and financial success. So grab your notebooks, put your hustle hats on, and get ready to take some serious notes. We're about to break down each skill, why it's exploding in demand, and how you can master it to build a future-proof freelance career. This is your time to rise and grind. Let's freaking go. Data is king. Why data analysis is non-negotiable. First up, we're talking data analysis. Listen, data is the lifeblood of today's world. Every click, every purchase, every interaction online, it's all data, and businesses are thirsty for people who can make sense of it all. As a freelance data analyst, you're not just crunching numbers, you're telling stories, you're finding hidden patterns, and you're helping businesses make smarter decisions. Think about it, every industry from healthcare to finance, from marketing to e-commerce, they're all drowning in data, and they need skilled professionals to navigate this new world. That's where you come in. You become the data whisperer, the insight ninja, the one who can turn raw data into actionable gold. And the best part, the demand for skilled data analysts is only going to skyrocket in the coming years. So if you're looking for a future-proof freelance career that's both challenging and rewarding, data analysis is your ticket to the big leagues. Digital marketing, your guide to crushing it online. All right, let's talk about digital marketing. Listen, the internet has changed everything. Gone are the days of old school advertising. Today, it's all about connecting with your audience online, building relationships, and providing value. And that's where digital marketers come in. As a freelance digital marketer, you're the architect of a brand's online presence. You're crafting engaging content, running targeted ad campaigns, and building communities across social media platforms. You're the one who helps businesses cut through the noise and reach their ideal customers where they're spending their time, online. And let me tell you, the demand for skilled digital marketers is off the charts. Businesses are constantly searching for talented individuals who can navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media, SEO, and online advertising. If you're passionate about the online world and you thrive in a fast-paced environment, digital marketing is your lane, my friends. Chapter 3, Cybersecurity, the unsung heroes of the digital age. Let's get real for a second. With all this digital growth comes a darker side, cyber threats, hackers, data breaches, identity theft. It's a jungle out there, and businesses are scrambling to protect themselves. That's where the cybersecurity ninjas come in, the silent guardians of the digital realm. As a freelance cybersecurity professional, you're on the front lines, defending businesses from malicious attacks, securing sensitive data, and ensuring that systems are locked down tight. You're the digital equivalent of a Navy SEAL, highly trained, highly skilled, and always ready to neutralize threats. And let me tell you, the need for skilled cybersecurity professionals is more critical now than ever before. With the rise of remote work and the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for experts who can keep their data safe. If you have a knack for technology and a passion for protecting the digital world, cybersecurity could be your calling. Chapter 4. Content is king, the power of storytelling in the digital age. All right, let's talk about the power of storytelling. In a world saturated with information, it's the storytellers, the content creators, who cut through the noise and capture our attention. Whether it's a well-crafted blog post, an engaging video, or a beautifully designed infographic, content is king, and businesses are constantly on the hunt for talented creators who can bring their stories to life. As a freelance content creator, you're not just writing words or shooting videos, you're weaving narratives, you're evoking emotions, and you're forging connections with your audience. You're the voice of a brand, the architect of their message, and the master of their story. And let me tell you, in the age of social media and digital marketing, the demand for high-quality content has never been greater. Businesses are constantly searching for skilled writers, videographers, graphic designers, and social media mavens who can create content that converts. If you have a passion for storytelling and a knack for crafting compelling narratives, content creation could be your path to freelance success. Chapter 5. Blockchain, riding the wave of the future. All right, let's talk about the future of technology, the future of finance, the future of everything. Blockchain. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we think about transactions, data security, and the very fabric of the internet. As a freelance blockchain developer, you're not just writing code, you're building the future. You're creating decentralized applications, smart contracts, and innovative solutions that are changing the game across industries. You're a pioneer, an innovator, a true trailblazer in the world of tech. And let me tell you, the demand for skilled blockchain developers is exploding. Businesses are scrambling to find talented individuals who can help them navigate this new frontier, from developing secure payment systems to creating transparent supply chains. If you're fascinated by the potential of blockchain and you have a passion for pushing the boundaries of technology, then buckle up, because blockchain development is your rocket ship to freelance success. Artro, the future is yours. Embrace the freelance revolution. There you have it, folks, the top 5 freelancing skills that are gonna dominate in 2025 and beyond. Data analysis, digital marketing, cybersecurity, content creation, and blockchain development. These are the skills that will set you apart from the competition and unlock a world of freelance opportunities. But listen, skills alone won't cut it. You gotta be hungry, you gotta be passionate, and you gotta be willing to outwork everyone else in the game. The freelance world is not for the faint of heart, but for those who are willing to hustle, to learn, and to adapt. The rewards are limitless. So what are you waiting for? Pick a skill, master your craft, and go out there and build the freelance empire of your dreams. The future is yours for the taking. Now go out there and make it happen.